More and more studies suggest that standing oil and gas platforms may provide habitat areas and food sources for marine life. These structures also usually have a fishing ban in a radius of 500 meters, which may help protect organisms and the seabed. The fishing ban may be especially beneficial for commercial species such as the Atlantic cod, which has been seen gathering around these platforms. However, an ongoing debate exists on whether the platforms are helping produce new fish or only attracting fish from other habitats. Tracking the movement of adult cod during their spawning season could provide some answers. Their consistent presence at the platform would suggest that the structure is being used to lay eggs, therefore contributing to fish production. To explore fish productivity at the platforms, scientists from DTU Aqua are tracking the 3D position of 50 adult Atlantic cod at an oil field in the Danish North Sea between August 2023 and June 2024. The fish were caught using rod and line fishing and slowly lifted up the water column to avoid physical injuries caused by differences in pressure. After being anesthetized, transmitters were placed inside the cod. These transmitters emit a signal approximately every minute with information about the 3D position of the fish. Once recovered, they were lowered down and released at a specific depth, again to avoid injuries. The signal from the transmitters is received by hydrophones. These hydrophones were installed in 2 circles around the platform, 4 50 meters away and 8 200 meters away. The hydrophones were placed on the seafloor by attaching them to a line with 20-kilo bags of gravel and lowered down using ropes. These hydrophones will stay in place until June 2024. To retrieve them, an automatic system will release them from the gravel bags and they will rise to the sea surface. The data collected over 10 months will help understand the behavior of the Atlantic cod around the platforms at various biological cycle stages, including the spawning season. It will also provide information about the exact parts of the platforms being used by the fish. Currently, oil and gas platforms must be fully dismantled at the end of their productive life to restore the ecosystem to its original state. However, the study indicates that these structures can positively impact marine life by serving as artificial reefs. Decision makers should therefore consider these ecological benefits and revisit decommissioning strategies.